Hi guys, my name's Matt. In this video, I'm going to show how to insert a sound chip into a Ridemakerz car. So here we have the bottom of a sound chip, and if you look real close in that opening, over to the left side is a little cutout. What that cutout is for is to line up with the notch that's down inside the chassis, which you can see here. Over to the left side of that rectangle is a little notch. So what you want to do is make sure that those are lined up correctly. And then you simply just flip the sound chip over, you push it down into place, and it will insert down in there. Then when the car is on and you push on the hood piece, the lights and the sounds will work. So next we're going to show how to do the same thing on a Monster chassis. So the Monster chassis is a little different. As you can see here, there's a cover that covers the sound chip. You want to push that to the left. That'll reveal that opening. As you can see here, the notch is over on the right side for this one. So again, just make sure that that cutout lines up with that notch. Flip it over into place and push it down. Then for this one, we're gonna insert that cover back over just by putting it into place and pushing it to the right. All right, thanks for watching.